Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri and I'm a solutions consultant at Kerv Experience, part of the Kerv group. In this video, I'm going to be speaking about and showing you some of the features available in Genesys Cloud. Genesys Cloud is an easy-to-use omni-channel platform that helps you connect with customers, manage relationships, see trends, and deliver real-time information to agents and employees so they can be more responsive and effective. Before I take a deep dive into some use cases, let me give you a quick overview of the platform. So here we have our landing page for an agent. Let me go through what's on screen. So on the left-hand side here, agents can see their schedules for the day. They can also do things like book time off requests, shift bid, shift trade, and there's also a mobile app for this as well. So if they're running late, they can ping a message to the supervisor and the supervisor can adjust their schedule accordingly. This section here is the gamification section. So this is where you can give points to agents based on metrics like who answered the most calls, who spent the least amount of time in after call work status. But you can also bring in your own external metrics into the platform using the RESTful API. So for example, if you have a ticketing system, you can give points based on which agent solved the most tickets. This section here is the assigned modules section. So this is where you can upload training material into the platform, and you can also give a time frame when you want that training completed, and you can also give assessments as well. And this section here in the center is related to quality. So if you book a coaching appointment, for example, agents will see that here, or if agents have got evaluations that they need to look at, this will also appear on their main screen as well. Over here, agents can select their status, and of course this can all be reported on. If an agent is doing something that they're not supposed to be doing, they get a notification here. So in this case, our agent needs to be on queue, and let's go ahead and activate that for them. All right, our agent's on queue and they're ready to receive an interaction. Okay, so let's go ahead, switch to our customer view, where a customer is going to engage with a web messenger and a chatbot, and they're going to get put through to this agent here. All right, so we've got our customer view here. They're on the website here. And they're going to go ahead and click this widget here and engage with the native Genesys Cloud chatbot. Right away, they're greeted by Ryan the bot here, and they're presented with a digital menu or a digital carousel. In this case, the customer's not really sure what they should be clicking, so they're going to go ahead and ask a question. I'd like to learn about workforce management. So right away, the bot surfaces a knowledge article, and it also has picked up their intent and suggests that they speak to an agent at Kerv Experience about Genesys Cloud. The customer is going to go ahead and click yes, and then the bot asks if they are a returning customer. The customer clicks yes, and then the bot is going to identify them by email address. Our customer is called Sarah Thompson, and they are identified by email address. But of course, the identifier here can be whatever you like, and you can have multiple identifiers for more added security. So the bot is transferring the customer to the agent. So let's go ahead and see their screen. So here we can see the customer's been identified, their details are presented to the agent, and the agent's going to click answer. Okay, so now that the interaction's been answered, the agent is first of all presented with a full chat history of the interaction. They can see everything that the bot has said, everything that the customer has said, and they're free to type in any message they want here. Oops. They can also send emojis and attachments as well. This section here is Genesys Copilot. This is an AI-powered tool that automatically surfaces knowledge articles based on how the conversation is going in real time. I'd like to add that this also works with a voice channel. The agent can use this knowledge article to type in any answer they want and use it as a sort of guide. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click the answer directly into the chat. This saves the agent time, and the customer gets a quicker response. There are also some more tools here. I'm going to go ahead and click the customer journey. Now this tool allows the agent to see what the customer is doing on the website in real time and any other previous touches that the customer has had with the contact center and the outcome of that interaction. So we can see here, this customer also contacted this agent earlier on today. There is also a profile as well, so agents get to see all the details of that customer on a single pane of glass. If we go back to our customer view, and let's say our customer would like to view a demo, Genesys Cloud, they send that message. We can see here that Copilot has suggested that the customer wants to schedule an appointment. CAE agent is going to go ahead and click Load Script, and automatically the script is loaded and presented to the agent. From here, the agent can book in that demo. Let's say Thursday at 2 p.m. Go ahead and book that appointment. That information is automatically sent to our booking system or CRM, and the agent can update the customer. Great, that interaction's ended, and we have our appointment booked. Now let's go ahead and end that interaction. And if I just highlight this section here, this is our AI-powered after-call work section. So from here, we can see Genesys has automatically suggested some wrap-up codes to the agent. So all the agent needs to do is click that, and that's done. And in this section here, we have a summary of the conversation. This can be edited by the agent. Any sensitive information is removed, which the agent can add in manually, and then this can also be copied to a CRM at the click of a button. And that's done, and that's a digital interaction in Genesys Cloud. I'm going to shut this down, and I'm going to show some of the reporting tools available in Genesys. So go here, click Performance, and then Workspace. So here on the left-hand side, we have a full suite of out-of-the-box reporting tools, things such as agent performance, skills performance, and interaction history. If I click agent performance, for example, we get to look at what the reports look like here. Now this is an out-of-the-box report. You can customize these any way you like with all of the built-in metrics available within Genesys Cloud. Once you've built the report that you like, you can go ahead and save that. And if I go back to this page, I can see all of my saved reports here. So if I want to access these, it's just simply clicking here, and in 2 clicks, I've got the exact report I needed. Let's take a look at an interaction so I can show you some of the speech and text analytics available in Genesys Cloud. So here we have a voice interaction with speech and text analytics enabled. At the top here, we have the call recording. This can be played back on the platform, but it can also be exported as a WAV file as well. Supervisors can listen in, can jump in to any point of the recording and make notes as they see fit. On the left-hand side here, Genesys has very nicely converted all of the audio into text for me, and it's analysed the conversation for us. So here we're able to see things like how helpful the agent was via empathy. That's that smiley face there. The sentiment of the customer, so how happy was the customer, and any custom topics or phrases that we've uploaded to the platform ourselves. These can all be reported on and can be used for all your data and analytics. From here as well, You can also create a valuation based on this. And from here, evaluators can play back the recording or read the transcript and grade the agent as required. As you can see here, some of the questions have automatically been answered for me. This is using the AI tools within Genesys Cloud. Once all the questions have been answered, the evaluator can send that off to the agent and they can reply back whether they're happy or not with their score. Thanks for watching this really short demo of Genesys Cloud. I hope you enjoyed it. Please get in touch with us if you'd like to see any more. Thank you.